I'm going to be sewing a 5x5, so got a CS timer loaded up, so just going to do some inspection.
Eight seconds.
Each one go. Okay, so we got our cross edges done. Now let's move on to the other edges. Let's see, where's the other red blue edge? There it is. Let's do red green next. Let's see, there's a, no, blue and yellow, let's, I need to swap that, there we go, we need, orange and yellow, swap that around there, and then around there, and there we go, we filled up our top layer with edges. And now let's get on. Let's do blue and orange now. Next is orange and green. And now we're on to our last two edges, which is okay. Let's get back to that. I think we should do some edge swap. Okay, now we need to swap that too. Okay, there we go. Now let's swap those. Now we need to flip those. So okay. So I think I know what here's how to work with this. There we go. Simple as that. Now let's get those edges. Let's get those cross edges back to where they were. And now let's get on to 3x3 stage. Okay. Okay, new PB, yes! Okay, just gonna show you guys quickly my PB. 6 minutes, 24 seconds, and 32 milliseconds. That is awesome. My usual time for 5x5 is about 7 minutes, but I got down by like a minute. Like my personal best, like 7 minutes, 27 seconds. I got that down by like a minute and 3. Yes! Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more cubing videos, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Foxlocks signing off for now. Peace.